Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2027 Mercedes CLA, a compact luxury sedan that's been completely refreshed with bold new styling, a futuristic interior, improved performance, and cutting-edge technology. Mercedes has clearly raised the bar with this generation, and in this video, we'll explore everything from the exterior design to the interior upgrades, driving performance, and expected pricing. Let's start with the exterior. The 2027 CLA arrives with a much sharper and more modern appearance. Up front, you'll notice the redesigned illuminated grille featuring a digital star pattern, giving the car a premium and high-tech look, especially at night. The slim LED headlights now use the latest multi-beam technology, providing excellent visibility while adding a sleek signature to the front fascia. The bumper has been reshaped with larger air intakes, improving aerodynamics and giving the CLA a more aggressive stance. Moving to the side profile, the CLA's iconic coupe-like silhouette looks even smoother than before. The roofline flows gracefully toward the rear, while frameless doors add an upscale touch typically seen in higher-end models. Mercedes offers new alloy wheel designs ranging from 18 to 20 inches, allowing buyers to choose between sporty and luxury aesthetics. The character lines along the body are sharper, making the car look wider and lower, which enhances its dynamic presence on the road. At the rear, Mercedes has introduced a full-width LED taillight design that connects both sides, creating a distinctive nighttime signature. The trunk lid now features a subtle integrated spoiler for better airflow, while the rear diffuser and dual exhaust outlets reinforce the sporty personality of the CLA. Now let's step inside, because this is where the 2027 CLA truly feels like a next-generation vehicle. The cabin is dominated by the new MBUX superscreen, a seamless glass panel that stretches across the dashboard, combining the digital instrument cluster, central infotainment display, and passenger screen into one futuristic layout. The graphics are incredibly sharp, and the system is powered by Mercedes' latest software with AI-based voice control. Simply say, "Hey Mercedes," and you can adjust climate settings, navigate to your destination, or play your favorite music. The seats have been redesigned for improved comfort and support, making long drives much more enjoyable. Premium materials like Nappa leather are available, along with eco-friendly upholstery options for sustainability-focused buyers. Ambient lighting offers up to 64 color choices, letting you customize the interior mood to match your vibe. The steering wheel now features touch-sensitive controls, and the center console includes wireless charging and expanded storage, making everyday usability even better. Rear seat passengers also benefit from slightly increased legroom and headroom compared to the previous generation. While it's still a compact sedan, adults can sit comfortably for shorter trips, and the trunk has been expanded to accommodate weekend luggage or daily errands with ease. Let's talk performance. The 2027 Mercedes CLA comes with updated powertrain options, including mild hybrid gasoline engines designed to deliver both efficiency and responsive driving. The base models feature a 1.5-liter turbocharged mild hybrid setup producing around 160 horsepower, while higher trims use a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine pushing approximately 220 horsepower or more, depending on configuration. Power is sent through an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and quick acceleration. On the road, the new CLA feels noticeably more refined. Mercedes has reworked the suspension for better ride comfort without sacrificing handling. It absorbs bumps smoothly in city driving, yet remains firm and confident through corners. Steering response is sharper than before, giving drivers a more engaging experience, especially on winding roads. Thanks to the hybrid assistance, fuel efficiency has also improved, making the CLA more economical for daily commuting. Safety and driver assistance features are another strong point. The 2027 CLA comes equipped with Mercedes' latest driver assistance suite, which may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies work together to reduce driver fatigue and enhance overall safety, whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway. Now let's discuss pricing, which is always an important factor. Internationally, the 2027 Mercedes CLA is expected to start at around the low $40,000 range, with higher trims and optional packages pushing the price toward the mid to upper $50,000s. Depending on your market and configuration, local pricing will vary, but it's positioned competitively within the premium compact sedan segment. Considering the level of technology, design, and performance on offer,